All right, so this is the directions post for this week's slides. You'll see up at the top that this is the week of 4-6 to 4-10, and you'll see Maroon Team Social Studies Weekly Agenda. So you'll want to go through and walk through the slides with me. So the next one would be just the Google Meet time, and we again meet on Thursdays at 1 p.m. And that's where you can ask questions about different topics. And there are 3 assignments this week that you could be asking about. There's just how to contact your teachers. And let's look at day 1. So day 1 slides. The first thing is something new, and I did give an audio of directions. So you'd want to click right there and look at the audio or actually listen to the audio. And then the enduring issue assignment, I did push out that everybody has their own individual copy, but this is just my copy so you can see what it looks like as you're going through. And you're going to be looking at the Zimmerman telegram and then also the Liberation of Auschwitz Holocaust Camp. And you will say, what is the problem that is existing over time between these 2 different time periods? And you'll write a short response that goes with that. Then you're going to continue with your journal. So you want to go into your drive and find that journal. If you're having trouble doing that, I can share it with you if you're struggling to find that. But it shouldn't be too hard because you can just go into last week's work and continue to type into your journal. And then the next thing that you'll be doing this week is you'll have a Google Form video quiz. This will get you right to the link, but I also have it dropped down into our work that is for the week. So it is also right there. And then if we go back to what we're working on for the slides, you will then also be able to create an audio file. And I did put at the end of the appendix how to do that. So watch those videos. And then I did give you the website Vocaroo and taught you how to do that. For extension, you could look at some videos about duck and cover with the Red Scare because we are talking about the Cold War now. The next thing is you will be working on your project for the rest of the week. So this is a template of what I call the nightly quarantine journals. I have some audio files that you can look at. I also have video files and pictures, and I give links. I even let you see my full completed example so you have a good example of what I'm looking for. If you choose to work with someone, what you'll want to make sure, and I kind of put that here, is that there's 2 slides for probably every person and then a summary slide for the end. And that summary slide will be very similar to the enduring issue work where you're taking 2 or 3 different topics or pieces of information and then telling us what is in common about them all, like why would they be linked together. So look at my example. Please follow the links because that will help you along the way. When you're ready to add your project to the Google Classroom, you'll want to do that right here. You say add or create, and it's always in the top corner, and that will be on this post. So it'll be student work, and then you will want to put right up here where that is going. And I'm trying to think if there's any last thing that I need to remind you about. I don't think so, but if things come up, please ask. And this just gives you an idea of how to copy the template so that way you can start working in it. And then I give you another appendix of how to create your own audio file, another appendix of how to add the audio file. And then I think that is it for this week. If there are questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. Have a wonderful week getting all of this work done. Talk to you soon.